Hi guys, Mark Anthony here. Now, one of the biggest problems with affiliate marketing has always been traffic generation. And you can have the best website, blog, sales funnel on the planet, but unless you have a steady flow of targeted leads going to your offer, then you're going to make absolutely nothing. And that's why I like to leverage the traffic from the top websites, especially social media. Why buy traffic where there's a constant supply of free traffic that you can tap into anytime you like? And if you're interested in fast traffic, then TikTok is very hard to beat. It's a great place to promote products and services, especially Clickbank products. So in this tutorial, I will show you how you can grab one of the top products on Clickbank and then create short video content that will put you in front of people who are interested in your offer by using the right hashtags. So we're not talking, let's dive into the computer and start having some fun, creating some short form video content. Okay guys, here we are on Clickbank, and I have used this product before because it still gets a very high gravity score. It's 191, so that's a lot of affiliates are making money with this product, and it's just a sign of the times with people struggling for money. The cost of living crisis just continues. So anything where people can make money from the comfort of their own home is always going to be popular. So that's why we're going to promote this product. But it won't be just this product, because we're going to use a link page to add more to this. I don't want to put all my eggs in one basket. So I want to find maybe another 4 or 5 alternatives to this offer, all closely linked regarding working from home. As an option, so you got a few bites of the cherry. You don't want to put all your eggs in one basket, and just one person may not like that offer and that's the end of that, but maybe they'll like some of the other offers, and that's what it's all about, giving them options. So we use this product and we use another one. I'm just going to use LinkTree to do this. This is basically my LinkTree. I've just uploaded my image. There are other programs apart from LinkTree, like Koji, Milkshake, that type of thing. Beacons is another one, but this is linktr.ee. This is LinkTree, but if you type in LinkTree in Google, you will find it. So I've just chosen an image, and I'll just change this background. So LinkTree, maybe use this green, this mint. Use that one as our colour. So LinkTree is green. Trees are green, aren't they? Well, they used to be. Right, so let's go back now to the home page and then claim your LinkTree. So okay, I've added all my links now. I've just added 3 links just from the Clickbank Marketplace, and basically this is my LinkTree. So you can see that it's all congruent with working from home, get paid to review apps on your phone, paid online writing jobs, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. It's better to use bit.ly links in here and then just redirect them to your Clickbank affiliate link. Simple as that. And there's URL that you can actually place inside the profile or the bio pages, wherever you're going to put your little short video content. So that's the first part done. You've got somewhere to put your affiliate links and where to move people. So now we can go into Canva now. We basically set up 5 templates, just with a banner, the shape here, that's social media jobs, and at the bottom apply now, link in bio, and then on the first one I've got get paid $25 an hour. That's the second one actually. Earn up to $35 an hour commenting on Facebook. I took all this from that Clickbank affiliate site. Get paid $200 a day posting images. 950 a week posting pre-made videos on YouTube, and the last one, 100 a day uploading stories. So I'm just going to make this probably as short as possible, maybe about 15 seconds. That's all it's going to be. But you can make them 7, 8, 9 seconds, maybe 3 videos, maybe just using 2 videos. You can basically match it up. Now I've got a pro account with Canva, and obviously you get more library with this. but you can obviously get free video content from Pixabay, places like that, which you can just download onto your computer. But I'm just in, for those of you who are on the free version, it'll be the same thing, but I will have more options. So I'm just on elements, and I'll go down to videos, and I'm just going to type in maybe a laptop, something like that. And I just want to change that to vertical options only. And I just want people basically typing, because that's what ties all this together. So you can just mouse over that and it basically tells you. So we can grab that video and just paste it in there. So you can just see people typing. So I just need to position this at the back. So backward. That is it. And I'm going to shorten this video only till about 3 seconds, and that is it. So what you can do, you can just do one of these, and then click the 3 buttons, and you can duplicate the page. So you can duplicate it again and again, as many as you want, just to save you time doing this. But I've already done these just to save time on the video. So let's just find another one of somebody typing. Maybe this one will do. So we can drag that in there. Same thing again. I'll just move it backwards, and then shorten it to 3 seconds. And move on to the next one. Somebody else typing. Happy typist. Maybe this. As you can see, with Canva Pro, you can just grab this video and then position it. There you go. So you got everything in there. You got obviously what they are, social media jobs. You got your link at the bottom, apply now, link in bio, and you've obviously got one of the options with this program, make 180-day uploading stories on Instagram. So just drag that back. Obviously you can change all of this. That's okay. Let's just drag it back and play this and just see what it looks like. So I think 3 seconds is probably enough. So there you go, that's 15 seconds, that video. So you can upload that to TikTok, that video, and obviously choose a trending background sound to help you go viral with that. But if you wanted to do a new video, so simple. Is just go back to the first one, and you can change the video. It's as simple as that. And then you have another one, and you can make them shorter. Obviously this is 15 seconds, but you can make them as short or longer as you like. But all the information obviously is on the video. Apply now, link in bio, and the link in the bio is obviously this. And these will go to your affiliate link via the bit.ly link. If you're not sure about the bit.ly link, let's go to Google. If you've never used bit.ly before, bit.ly, see URL shortener, that basically does what it is. It's a free service, just shorten. You can shorten your affiliate link, and you get 10. I think you can get 10 for free. But that's basically it. A very, very simple way to promote a good product on Clickbank, and just use Canva videos to produce that for you. Very, very, very simple stuff. But on the actual pro version of Canva, I think it's, what is it now, $10 a month? I think it's for nothing really, and you get a massive library, and you'll use this again and again, especially if you're doing short form videos. But anyway, I hope you got something from this tutorial. This is just one way to make money online, but if you wanted to reach the $100 a day $3,000 a day level, then I have the solution here. If you're looking for the best affiliate marketing training program, then I would recommend you have a look at Tao. It's 5-star rated, perfect for beginners and more experienced affiliate marketers. It's a perfect choice for making money from affiliate sales, passive income streams, and advertising revenue. This is the best affiliate marketing training program I have seen in my 23 years in affiliate marketing. That's how good it is, but please check it out for yourself. The link is in the description.